Welcome to this tutorial on single expression functions in Kotlin. Single expression functions offer a concise way to write functions that contain just one expression. This powerful feature helps you write cleaner, more readable code with less boilerplate. Let's compare the traditional function syntax with single expression syntax. In traditional syntax, you write function square that takes an integer x and returns an integer. Inside curly braces, you use the return keyword followed by x multiplied by x. With single expression syntax, you can simplify this dramatically. You write function square that takes integer x, then use an equals sign instead of curly braces, followed directly by x multiplied by x. No return keyword needed, no curly braces. It's that simple. Single expression functions provide four major benefits. First, concise syntax means less boilerplate code and improved readability. Second, automatic type inference means the return type is determined by the compiler, so you don't need to specify it explicitly. Third, cleaner code because you eliminate unnecessary curly braces and the return keyword. Fourth, they're perfect for quick functions that perform simple operations, making your code more expressive and elegant. Let's look at practical examples. For simple calculations, function double takes integer x and returns x multiplied by 2. For string manipulation, function greet takes a string name and returns hello, followed by the name with an exclamation mark. For Boolean logic, function is even takes integer n and returns true if n modulo 2 equals 0. For multiple parameters, function max takes two integers a and b and returns a if a is greater than b, else returns b. Notice how each function is concise and expressive. Knowing when to use single expression versus traditional style is important. Use single expression functions for simple operations like function add that returns a plus b, or function is valid that checks if age is greater than or equal to 18. However, use traditional style with curly braces when your function contains multiple statements, such as a function that calls validate, calculate, and save in sequence. Single expression functions shine when the logic fits naturally in one expression. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, use the equals sign syntax for single expressions instead of curly braces. Second, the return type is automatically inferred by the compiler. Third, this syntax eliminates the need for curly braces and the return keyword entirely. And fourth, single expression functions are perfect for simple, clear operations. Mastering this syntax will make your Kotlin code more concise and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.